So I went to sea life today and I recorded lots of videos, so I decided to make a compilation or a vlog of sorts. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't mind me struggling to get out of there. I had a really big bag on, so it was pretty tough getting out of that small tunnel. I know it wasn't really smart going in anyway, but I need those shots because I like taking shots like that. So yeah, and also Nemo and Dory. So yeah.
He looks grumpy. They always look grumpy. Probably are, but... Oh my god, is that them, the emoji? Is that the emoji? Absolutely amazing.
So these are the rock pools, and you can see many starfish in here. You can pet them if you wash your hands first, and this one's my favourite one. I petted him many times. Call him Joey, and yeah, he likes me. He was nice. He's hanging out in the corner, in the bottom. And then here's some other starfish. You've got Christian starfish there. I think they're hanging up on the wall there. They were hard to touch because, yeah. And these are chocolate chip starfish. They're like black ones. So yeah, they're cool.
Yeah, like the little noses. Or mouths even. Like butterflies.
Axolotls originated from lakes in what is now known as Mexico City. Sadly, they are thought to be extinct in the wild due to habitat loss and pollution.
They're dying. Thank you for the great facts. You gave me the deaf one. That's brilliant. Oh, look at them. Oh my god, they're in a bucket like in Minecraft. Oh my god, that's so funny. Minecraft joke.
Am I stupid, or do I hear the Katanga Kenya music from Alton Towers playing in the background?
Oh, they're constantly swimming running around. Stunning. Look how fast they're blisteringly fast in the water. And the rays are. Look at them, they're racing. Well, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, go, 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 go. Go. Go beat him.
Keep your head back. Hold on tight. You must escape. Go, go, go.
Wow. Look at you. It's flying, it's amazing. This one, this tank is gorgeous. Wow. Go race, go, go, go. Piranha. You'll eat my hand.
No, 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 no.
He doesn't like we'll eat that. We've got like rocks or something in there. I'm honestly not too sure what that is. Yeah, seashells. Yes, lots of seashells. Wow, fossils. Oh wow, this is very cool. And a notepad. That's my favorite one. That's the favorite ancient item, you know? Tiny ones.